Hi, everybody. I wanted to go over today's assignment with you because it's the first time in a while that we've done a long writing assignment. Last time we did a compare and contrast paper. We tried it when we compared and contrast the falude to other vermicelli recipes. And so we struggled a little bit with the writing, which is okay because we haven't practiced this pretty much since the fourth grade. But I want us to practice this some more. So we're going to keep practicing and we're going to keep getting better at this. Okay. So first of all, we're going to read an article, Are We All Connected to Everyone Else by 6 Degrees of Separation? Because we're doing 6 degrees of Jason Reynolds, right? And so we're seeing how we ourselves can actually connect to Jason Reynolds, who connects to Walter Dean Meyer, who connects to Langston Hughes. And we're going to see how those poets and authors actually connect to other people as well. So we kind of have a connection to those people as well. So first, you're going to read this article because this article is going to be what you use for facts for your writing. Okay, so you're going to go through and you're going to read this article. I'm not going to read it for you. You know how to read. There is Kevin Bacon. I did not put that in there. This was actually in the article, so I thought that was pretty funny. Then we're going to get to the writing assignment. Okay, you're going to write a paper based on the article. It's going to be a cause and effect paper. Okay, the cause is technology and burgeoning. Please look this word up. I want you to know this. This is your word for the week, burgeoning. Social media networks. The effects is the potential for the human world to shrink. Okay, how is it shrinking? How are we getting closer to these 6 degrees of separation to one another? You need to use text evidence from the article. We are struggling a lot with text evidence, so I need us to practice using this. Okay, so first you're going to use the template. Okay. We always know that there should be a good hook, something to hook in the reader. We could probably find facts, quotes, or information from the article to use as a hook. Then a transition to transition people from the hook to our thesis. And I've written the thesis statement for you this time so you know how to guide your paper. Okay. So our thesis this time is the invention of technology and social media has caused the human world to shrink. Okay. Think about it in terms of the human world as in our interactions, not the physical world, right? It doesn't really cause like the earth to shrink. It's not like flat earth theory or anything. It's just that we can now connect with more people in different parts of the world. And the article is going to talk about a little bit about isolated places because I know some of y'all are like, well, what about these people who don't have access? It talks about that a little bit, so don't get up in an uproar too much, okay? Then when you write a cause and effect paper, because that's what we're going to practice this time, we practiced compare and contrast last time. This time we're going to practice cause and effect. In the first paragraph, you're going to talk about the cause, right? Because our thesis is the invention of technology and social media is the cause, has caused. So we're going to talk about that invention and what that has done to shrink the world, okay? And then the effect is the shrinking of the world. So then we're going to talk about how is the world shrunk, okay? So think about in your introduction that you're first going to say basically the invention of technology, the invention of social media, the invention of this happened. You're giving me evidence about this part, okay? So this is this part. You're not telling me what it caused. You're just telling me like how the effect is where you're going to tell me what effect did it have on shrinking the world. Okay. And then you're going to come and conclude it, restate your thesis. So you can really just copy and paste your thesis and put it down in here and you can just go from there. Okay. That's what you're going to do. Again, you can come back up here. So if you wanted to find information because you're going to get a copy of this, you can go in and let's say you liked this for evidence, you can go here and you can go to the highlight tool and you can highlight it if you want to. Okay, so you can use that and you can come back and you can copy and paste it. Remember, if you're using text evidence, you can copy and paste it from the text, use quotation marks. If you need to cut out parts of it, you can use the ellipses, which is ... to take out parts of it. Okay. So we're going to have a week to work on this template and to work on this rough draft. So when we're done with the template, we'll copy and paste all the things and we'll put our rough draft down here and we'll check on that. So by the end of the week, we'll have all of these things. Okay. So this is our assignment. I'm gonna give you one more video after this so that you can learn a little bit more about how to organize your writing, and then we're gonna start practicing some writing. All right? All right, good luck.